Hope you guys are all doing great. Good news for all NEET MDS 2022 aspirants, especially those who are waiting for revised cutoff. So natboard.edu.in has published the revised cutoff scores, and as you can see on screen, 50th percentile is the minimum qualifying criteria for general category, which has been lowered to 24th percentile. So which means previously the cutoff score was 263. Now it has been lowered to 174. And for other categories, as you can see, SC, ST and OBC, the cutoff has been lowered to 138, and for unreserved PTBD, the cutoff has been lowered to 157. So we have a mop-up round coming up, and the registrations for mop-up round All India Counseling starts from 31st October till 4th November 2022. So you can register and you can participate in the counseling accordingly. So I wish you all the best, and if you have any further queries or you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com 24/7. Wish you all the best. Love you all.